So here's the island of Mon, and this place is Møns Klint, and this is actually the chalky coast of this area. As you can see, most of the rock here is chalk, made of chalk. But we also have some small, thin layers of flint. These black layers, as you can see, these are flint layers. And if you look at them, as you can see over here, these flint layers, flint layer over here, we can see how these chalk formations actually deformed and folded in the past, and now they are exposed to the surface by erosion that has happened by the sea.